Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by finding the profile that holds your bookmarks. Open Bookmark Manager and note your active profile name, then close Chrome so files are not in use. On Windows, the path lives in appdata/local/google/chrome/user data. On Mac OS in ~library/application support/google/chrome, and on Linux in ~. config/Google Chrome. Once done, navigate to the correct profile folder, typically default or profile 1. Now you copy the raw bookmark files so you capture current and fallback states. With Chrome closed, copy the bookmarks file and the bookmarks. Back file from the profile folder. These are plain JSON and contain everything. Paste them into your chosen backup location, an external drive, a cloud sync folder, or a timestamped local folder. Make sure to verify the copy by checking file sizes or a quick checksum. This prevents silently corrupted transfers and ensures you can restore reliably later. To restore, always close Chrome first, then replace the profile's bookmarks file with your backup copy. Reopen Chrome and check your list. If nothing appears, try using the back file. Rename bookmarks. Back to bookmarks to recover a previous snapshot. Make sure Chrome Sync is turned off before restoring to avoid cloud overwrites. Once restored and verified, re-enable sync so your cloud reflects the local backup. If you still see issues, check file permissions and repeat the copy with elevated privileges.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.